We expect a transparent process towards the presidential nomination at the National Delegates Congress. Up until today, no opening has been done for the seat that was closed, and the nomination that was closed in February this year. We want it open for competition so that everybody can participate. We are talking, but we've been unable to put in an application, which we are insisting must be open.
Sisi kama machairman tumeamua na kauli moja, tutamkaribisha Wanjigi sababu ni haki yake, aongee na delegates, aombe kiti kama mtu mwingine yoyote. ODM is the oldest surviving and the biggest party which is known to be the most democratic.
We are very happy because in Mount Kenya region, ODM was like a reject. But when we get somebody who can make it vibrant, we are very happy and we are ready to support him so that we can go and vie for the presidential seat. If he is defeated by another better candidate, we are going to remain in ODM. If he wins, we will remain in ODM because our intention is to be in the next government.